U.S. Army General says Ibrahim Traore is using Burkina Faso.
You know, the problem of you people in the West, you don't know the reality of Africa. Ibrahim Traore is not liberating his people. The Burkina-based people are not his people. He represents only one tribe among around 60 tribes in Burkina Faso. And the gold that they are talking about is the Fulani gold. We Fulanis. See, they came and they said we are terrorists. Then start the genociding Fulani people in Burkina Faso. You see in this map has been made by the Burkina Faso government in 2014. In this map, they show where the gold in Burkina Faso is. It is in the Fulanis area. So they start this line saying that the Fulanis are jihadists or terrorists in Burkina Faso in order to remove them from their own land. This man has no legitimacy in Burkina Faso at all. He fights an elected person who was the last president, then take the control of the country since four years now. He don't want to release the country to organize elections, and he represents only his own tribe. We are not the same. With America and Africa is not the same. You there, you are the same people. You are homogenic people in all your countries. In Africa, some countries has around more than 300 tribes, and all these 300 tribes, everyone have his own spirituality, his own language, his own story, and his own land. So in order to live together, we have to respect some constitution in the country. But this guy, Ibrahim Traore, he belonged to the tribe that make the war to colonize Burkina Faso, to make this country, to manufacture it after the so-called colonization. It was his tribe that was with the so-called French people. In the war to colonize Africa, there was only black people in the armies. After they win, they settle, then manufacture ethnic tribe. These ethnic tribes are the ones that are ruling Africa still now. So you in the West, you don't know nothing about Africa, in fact. You think that your reality there is the same in Africa. No. This guy is a genocide person. I don't know how we say it. But he's making a genocide against the Aboriginal people of the land. And he has no legitimacy in Burkina Faso at all. He don't represent all the people of the country. He don't even represent the 10% of the country, in fact. So, if the AFRICOM or the American army want to come and remove him, they came because they want the gold. They are not righteous persons. They are bandits, just like him. You see, evil doers are fighting together. All of them are wrong. If bad people, they are fighting for the gold, but they are not fighting for the security of the people that own that gold. In fact, see, they are fighting together to get the gold. But right now, the people that own that land have been genocide, have been under genocide. They are killing them, saying that we are terrorists in our own land, in order to take control of it. So we Fulanis and the Fulanis in Burkina Faso, we don't give a damn about that. And in fact, for us, it's better. America is better than this cannibalistic black tribe. Voilà. If they can remove him, let's go. Because the American people, they don't eat you. When after they kill you, you get they brought you to the cemetery. But these ones, they kill us and then eat us. So we don't care about that. So you in the West, close your damn mouth. Because you don't know Africa. Close your mouth. Stop talking about what you don't know. We are not the same. African people and American people, we are not the same. We don't have the same feeling. We don't have the same reality. Even our countries are not the same. Stop talking about what you don't know. Or go learn before you open your damn mouth.